We got 5 compound blasting exercises coming at you today. We're gonna work that full body, so stay tuned because it's gonna be epic. Up first, we got deadlifts with bicep curls. So you're gonna hinge at your hips, so you're going all the way down as low as you can, turning those dumbbells into that bicep curl. All of our sets today are 15 sets with 3 reps. Warming up that body. Woo! Okay, up next we have a static lunge with lateral raises. You're gonna do 8 per side equals 16 total reps. So I'm starting on that right side, going down, and when you come up on that way up, those arms are gonna fly out. You can touch that back knee all the way to the floor. So you know you're getting that deep lunge. At 8, you're gonna switch it out. That one will burn. Make sure you're not throwing your arms up. You're doing that lateral raise where you're lifting all the way to that shoulder height and down, putting that pressure on the front part of that shoulder and the medium part of that shoulder, which is the middle, and it'll burn. All right, up next we have a squat and shoulder press, so I'm keeping those dumbbells here, doing that full range of motion squat. On the way back up, shoulder press. If you have any shoulder issues, keep the weight here. So you can also do here, keeping those weights in the midline of your body. Remember, each of them are 15 reps, 3 sets. It's gonna get your heart rate up there. Up next, we have a side lunge and row. So we're gonna kick it all the way out to that side. Get that deep lunge, make sure that knee is not over that toe. Bring it back in, you're hinging, and you're hitting that row. So you're going from side to side. Going as deep as you can into those lunges. Slow and controlled. When you're coming up for that row, squeeze that back. 10 each side or 8 each side. Whatever you can get in, make sure you're really squeezing that back on that row. And again, that heart rate gets up there doing 2 exercises at once, so make sure to take that deep breath before moving on to the next exercise. All right, up next we have step ups with front raise. So you're gonna step all the way up onto that box and get that front raise in there. You're gonna do 6 leading with the right leg and then 6 leading with that left leg. Shoot, sorry. That was 5 full body blasting compound exercises. I hope that you got your heart rate up there as much as I did doing 2 exercises at once. Like always guys, like, subscribe, any questions, put them in the comments, and I'll catch you later.